The fact that you're watching this means you've already taken step one, and that's a big deal. Over the next 7 days, I'll guide you through simple steps to stop muscle loss and feel strong again. It's never too late. And it starts right here. Not long ago, I felt weak. At 74, my legs started to shake when I stood up. Carrying groceries? Exhausting. Stairs? Difficult. I told myself it was just aging. But deep down, I knew something wasn't right. I wasn't sick, but I was losing strength. Quietly. Slowly. And no one talked about it. Friends said, "It's normal." But I didn't want normal. I wanted my body back, my energy, my confidence. That's when I realized muscle loss isn't just aging, it's preventable. And more importantly, it's reversible. That truth changed everything for me. So I started searching for answers. I read everything I could about aging and muscle loss. I spoke to doctors, physiotherapists, and even other seniors going through the same thing. What I found shocked me, because there are simple science-backed habits that can actually stop muscle loss and even reverse it. Most people just don't know where to start. That's why I created this plan. It's not a workout program. It's not a diet. It's a 7-day guide to help you build the daily habits that protect your strength for life. But here's the problem. There's so much information out there. Articles, videos, opinions. It's hard to know what actually works. And most of it is overwhelming, complicated, or made for people half our age. I couldn't find a simple step-by-step plan that fit into real life. Nothing felt doable. So I decided to create one. This 7-day guide is clear, science-based, and designed for real people, not athletes. It's gentle, effective, and easy to follow, no matter your age or fitness level. Whether you're 60 or 85, active or just starting out, you can do this. In this 7-day beginner plan, you'll learn why muscle loss happens as we age, and more importantly, how to stop it. I'll show you what to eat to support strength and recovery without counting or measuring anything. You'll learn how to move your body in a safe and gentle way, no gym required, and which supplements actually help improve your energy, balance, and muscle protection. We'll talk about how to hydrate the right way to support your joints, digestion, and focus, and how daily stress and cortisol may be silently breaking down your strength, and what you can do to reverse it. You'll discover 3 beginner-friendly workout routines you can do from home, no matter your fitness level, and why rest and sleep are just as essential as movement. And most importantly, I'll help you turn all of this into daily habits that are simple, practical, and designed to stick, so you can feel stronger, steadier, and more confident every day. Along the way, I'll share a printable daily checklist to help you track your progress. I'll also recommend a few helpful tools, like shakes and resistance bands, that I personally use and trust. You'll find those links in the description, and if you ever have a question, just drop it in the comments. Because at the end of this series, I'll answer as many as I can in a special Q&A video. One step at a time, we're going to rebuild your strength together. This series is for anyone who's noticed their strength slipping away. Maybe your legs feel shakier than they used to. Maybe getting up from the couch takes more effort. Maybe you've stopped doing things you once loved, like walking longer distances, lifting groceries, or even dancing. You're not alone, and this isn't just getting older. Here's something most people don't know. Muscle loss actually starts as early as age 30. After that, we lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade, and it speeds up after 60. That means by the time you're in your 70s or 80s, you could have lost over a third of your strength, unless you take action. And muscle loss doesn't just make you weaker. It affects your balance, your posture, your metabolism, your energy, even your independence. The good news? It's never too late to turn it around. This 7-day series is here to help you do exactly that. Whether you're already struggling or you want to prevent problems before they start, this plan will show you exactly what to do, one small step at a time. And if you're wondering where to start, try this today. Drink a full glass of water before your next meal. It sounds simple, but hydration is one of the easiest ways to support your muscles, improve digestion, and reduce fatigue, especially as we age. One small habit, one step stronger. If this video resonated with you, give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos in this 7-day series. This is the first time I've launched a project like this, and I'm doing it because I truly believe this information should be shared. Everything I've learned, from research, conversations, and personal experience, is now here for you. I'd love to hear what you think. Did this video help you? Do you have suggestions or questions? Let me know in the comments, because your feedback helps me create better, more useful content in the future. Let's build a community where seniors support each other to grow stronger, stay independent, and live fully. One day at a time, one habit at a time. We're just getting started.